guys, it's a Wednesday morning. We have having a lot of wind. We had a huge storm go through last night. We had straight line winds early this morning, and all my chickens are out. I don't know about Mrs. Pigglesworth yet. I got 4 chickens standing here on the porch with me. I'm hoping I can get them in with some food. I think I'm gonna go grab another camera because it's gonna be windy no matter what camera I have this morning, but it's just a bad storm. So let's see if we can get these chickens in. Their fence, their Premier 1 fence blew over last night. So let me see if I can get the other camera that has at least a wind screen on it. I want to film this, but okay, so got a different camera. Can still see the wind blowing the trees there. So it's still really, really windy out here. So I'm gonna get these animals fed. Hopefully they'll see me and get. So this is pig food. Looks like I need to add some more water to this. Oh. There we go. And the lid blew off. I don't know where all my lids are. Oh, there's the pig lid. Okay. That's okay. And then this says meat birds, but it's regular chicken food that we marinate. Okay. They get 3 scoops, and this food has all kinds of good stuff in it. So make sure this hangs back up on my hook. Let's feed these animals. Okay. So our gas can is here. That's not where it belongs. That lid is not where it belongs. Got a couple buckets here. Here's all my chickens. Oh. See if I can get them in the fence and get the fence up properly. Watch out. Watch out. Polly. Polly, move. Honey. Come on. You can see how my fence is down over here. This is because the ground is really saturated from all the rain we had. We had really heavy rain yesterday. Come on. think I'm gonna have to check on this fence a couple times today, because as you just saw, the wind is relentless. At least they're safe. Their door was shut too, so let's get Mrs. Pigglesworth, check on her fence first, make sure it's charged up and ready to go. We're probably gonna have to move her tomorrow after this storm, because she's gonna make a mess today out in the paddock. But it looks like her fence, probably because it's so low to the ground, it's holding up. But we'll check it all the way around. I'm glad we have her in at night. Whew. Sorry about the wind noise. Her paddock's pretty wet. Hey, Mrs. Pigglesworth. Hey, girl. Let's test your fence real quick. Yep. Hi. It's a good thing I put extra straw in there last night. Fence is nice and hot. So we'll get her out. It's that nice clean water, and it's full because of all the rain. Oh man, you really made a hole in there. Okay, come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Got 3 inches of water in her food bowl. So it looks like we got about 3 inches of rain overnight. So, oh, I better make sure that I keep her door open. I want her to be able to get in here and put some more straw here. There we go. Now she can add more nesting to her bed. Get that bucket. She's a happy pig. Lots of clean water there. So I don't have to worry about that. The cool thing is our buckets are nice and full. Let's see if there's an egg in. Okay. Whew. It's kind of cool out here with the wind cutting through you. You can see down there we have one of our barrels way down there. There's a bucket over here that's blown away, and I'll get those later. I gotta go check on those baby chicks. The one thing that our power didn't go out, so that's good. that could affect them if it does. So, hey kitty, are you taking good care of the baby chicks? Well, it's nice and dark in here. Let's check on these girls. These are our layer chicks. They need some water. Okay. There we go. Fresh water. I don't handle my baby chicks because we live so rurally. I don't handle them a lot. I believe that you can handle your chicks a lot. I don't have a problem with that. But I want my chicks to be a little bit scared, to be a little streetwise, because of the very fact that I want them to be afraid of predators. So, like our dogs and things, which are predators. Because when they see a coyote, I want them afraid of the coyote, so they'll run. You got plenty of water and food? You need some more water? Yeah. There you go, girl. There you go. Yeah. You need some nuggets too, don't you? Yeah. Oh, purring girl. Oh. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so everybody's fine, healthy and happy. I can go inside. We haven't got the phone call from the post office yet saying our chicks are in. Should be any day now. Because the 3rd was yesterday and it's the week of the 3rd that they come. I should check on Murray McMurray and see if they're sent yet. So let's go see what's for breakfast. Okay. Baby chicks are good. What you making for breakfast?
What?
You're cleaning out the dishwasher?
Yep.
Aww.
Stranger things have happened.
You're so sweet.
I try.
You are.
So, need to make some food. I'm hungry too.
Yeah.
Food.
Okay. Got 2 eggs from our girls.
There we go.
So we've gone from 3 eggs.
Get on there, Bubba.
So unfortunately, I think one of the chicken that got out is probably a little layer.
Or maybe she's hiding in the coop again? No.
No.
Okay.
No, it's a different chicken. It's a black one.
I see.
We had 2 black ones. So now,
I see.
now we have 1.
Unfortunate.
Yeah. Fence is nice and hot. Not down at all for Mrs. Pigglesworth.
That's good.
Yeah. So, yeah. The ground is just so saturated that those poles just fell over. The poles. The hedgehog. What did you make for breakfast?
Some eggs that look horrible, but they're not.
It was just cooked in the same
Yeah, just from the pan.
the pan over here.
So, but it's still a nice egg like you like it.
So 5 eggs between us, and then this is half a pork,
Half a,
ham steak,
yeah,
some
a
sausages.
few leftover sausages.
Yep.
And there we go.
And that's what's for breakfast.
Day 7, I want to say. Day 7,
Yeah.
I think. So, Your blood pressure's already doing better.
Yeah.
It's trending down, which is good.
Yep.
And our weight is trending down, which is
Yep.
good. So, yeah, I mean, feel better.
Yeah.
Don't have, I mean, for the most part, I feel better. So, there you go.
Yeah.
That's it.
Gotta brag on my husband just a little bit. Even though he didn't make it the way I would make it, my husband made the bed, he made me breakfast, and he cleaned out the dishwasher today. I was out doing the animals. Isn't that sweet?